Hi, today we'll be talking about lists. Okay, so I'm going to open up PowerPoint now and I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to use bullet points or numbered lists. So this is my slideshow, for example. Now, what I need to do for this demonstration is I'll have to change the layout to uh, content layout. So I right click over the thumbnail on the navigation pane, as you can see. Right click, choose layout. I choose to content for this example. So let's say here the title is how to make a coffee. Then of course here on this side I will have here the ingredients. Let's say materials and ingredients. Okay. Then here my materials are cup, spoon, let's coffee, sugar, milk. There you go. And then here we will have here the steps. Okay, now since we will be talking about steps, it makes more sense to use numbers or letters. Okay, so let's say numbers for this one. So I'd say these are the steps. So the step would be boil water. All right, so I need to add one more item here. Let's say water. Boil water. Put boiling water on cup. Um, put coffee, sugar, and milk. Stir the cup of coffee, drink, and enjoy. All right. So there you go. Now, what if I don't want this to be bulleted? So if you want to remove this, because it doesn't have to have a bullet point here. There are many ways to do this. If you already know how to do this, then you can use backspace, or using backspace would work. But for me, I'm going to be using the buttons available in the ribbon. So I'm gonna click this button and I'll pick none, right? Same way with the steps here. I'm gonna choose none for the first one because it's not really part of it. Now let's say I have to because this is a step. You boil the water. Let's say I want to add a sub step. Okay, for example, what do I mean? So I want to insert a new step or a sub-step after step number 3. So I'm going to click the mouse at the end of number 3. I will press enter. Then I will press tab from the keyboard. So you can see now it becomes pushed to the right. Let's say, is the ingredients enough? Then I'm going to put here, I'm going to press enter. I'm going to press tab again. If yes, then proceed to step 4. Then I'm going to press enter again. If no, then repeat step 3. Okay, so I hope that that makes sense. So that's it. Now if in case you want to remove it, you can just highlight it and press delete or backspace. Or if you want to change the indent, you can also use these tools. This is to increase the indent. Okay, did you see that? And then to decrease the indent, I'll push the button on the left side of it. So you can see it's like going to a higher level. All right, but I will keep it at this way. Now also, if you want to change, let's say I don't want to have I don't want to have two number. I have here number one, I have like similar numbers. So this one, maybe I can change this to a letter, maybe to a big letter. You can do that. And then this one, I will change them to smaller letters. So this is basically all up to you. It's your decision. I just wanted to demonstrate to you that it is possible to change them along the way. Okay, you click, by the way, I'm clicking the small triangle here to access the extra options available. So this is how you make a multi-level list or a bullet point. Also, on the bullet points, let me just, before I end this, you can also click on that small triangle here, and you can choose a different style. Let's say this one, I want this one, and there you go. This is how you make a bullet point or a numbered list, and how to customize them and make a multi-level list.